So Yamaha XSR has finally launched in India after 6 years of its international debut, and you might be so much excited to get one for yourself. But before you get one, there is one crucial thing to talk about. That is pre-delivery inspection, or we call it PDI. So most of us are very excited to get our first bike, but you must do the PDI correctly. And here in this video, I'm going to talk about what are the things you need to remember, or what are the things you need to check for before you buy your brand new Yamaha XSR, so that your journey is going to be a smoother one and you don't regret afterwards. So yeah, my name is Rajiv and you're watching EasyMech, and let's get started. I've already made a video about how you can purchase XSR, or in fact any motorcycle, in a lower rate than the dealer is being offering. If you have not watched that video, the I button will be popping up over here. Go watch that. You can literally save 8 to 15,000 rupees on your purchase. So first of all, let it be very clear with the dealer that you are going to do the PDI yourself, and if you found anything wrong in that bike, they are ready to deliver you another model. Okay, only then paid in advance. Then go for the PDI. So first of all, as you can see, you have to inspect every bit of the bike, as this bike composed of plastic parts, most of the areas, including the fuel tank. So check for cracks or paint chipping, quality issues such as rough edges, etc. And also check for the panel gap. That is very important. Now the both sides, as you can see, the silver panels, and there is a black panel in between, like in the middle of it. So you have to make sure there is no panel gap between these parts. If there is a panel gap, it is very hard to fix it afterwards. Now you have to check same panel gap for the fuel lid. Around the fuel lid there should be snug fit. If it is not a snug fit, it may vibrate in high speeds. Now you have to check for the tire markings. So there are straight lines, colorful lines over the front and rear tires that make sure that the tire is brand new and the vehicle is not ridden on the road. It is designed such a way that the lines gets disappeared after 100 kilometers. So after seeing the lines, you can be assured that this bike has not been driven or has not been used for a test ride. Now you have to check for the silencer pipe. So first thing that start to fade out in a motorcycle is the silencer pipe, especially the header. So you have to check for the header. Any rust or any discoloration should not be there. If there is any sort of discoloration or mud or anything that sort, then you can be assured that this bike has been test ridden definitely. So there is a big radiator up front, so you have to check the fins very carefully, and there should not be any bend in the fins at all. And you should also look for the stitching in the seats. They should be all perfect condition. Now it's time to check the heart of the bike, that's the engine. In my case, there were 4 XSR up front, and I asked the dealer to start all of them and hear the engine noise for all of the 4. And it's very obvious that all of 4 are brand new, but I somehow found this XSR to sound a bit smoother. So crank the engine and hear for any abnormal noise after some time, 1 to 2 minutes after the idle drops and the auto choke mechanism stops functioning. Then it's time to listen for any abnormal sound like tapped noise or timing chain noise. There might be any manufacturing defects, highly improbable, but you should not take the risk. So how do you make sure that there is not any noise? So you have to start the motorcycle, and then you have to hold the silencer with your palm. So whenever you block the silencer with your palm, the noise of the exhaust will be gone, and you will get some time to check for any abnormal noise. Don't hold the exhaust for longer time. Just take 3 to 4 seconds and you should be good to go. So in my case, I found a stitch defect in my XSR seat and they readily replaced the seat after I showed it to them. After that, you have to take the bike out for a ride it, see if there is any balancing issues, any noise coming from the front end of the bike, rear end of the bike, if the suspensions are working just fine. If everything seems okay, then it's definitely a green flag. Now after you do your side of PDI, the dealer will do their side of PDI. So what they will check is, they will check engine oil quantity, they will check coolant quantity, they will check brakes are working fine, they will also check for the clutch free play and if the drive chain is properly lubricated. If they don't do that, you are advised to do so from your end. Always check the clutch free play before you take the delivery, because sometimes the clutch play, they forget to check the clutch play and this may cause premature clutch failure. That is a very important point to keep in mind. So yeah guys, that's all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have not watched how you can buy this bike at a cheaper rate, the video will be popping up after this video. Go watch and check that out. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.